Back in about 2009, I came up with the idea of designing and building what was at the time the world's longest range electric car. Drove it from the top of Alaska to the bottom of Argentina, which is the world's longest road.
The only electric vehicle to have driven the Pan-American highway so far, which taught us so much. That's how we came on to founding Vantage Power, using really the experience that we had gained in those new technologies.
And we came across the bus industry, and we thought this is a great way to push the technology we've developed and the ideas that we had. Nobody thought you could retrofit hybrid technology into an existing vehicle.
Everyone's trying to cut down on diesel emissions. There are almost no providers for what we're doing. We are the go-to guys.
When we looked for our supply chain manager, one of the key parts of his job description was putting in place what I termed a sexy ERP system. It had to be cloud-based, and it had to give us the flexibility that we needed to do everything from parts ordering and supplier management through to customer management through to finance, and have it all integrated together.
The great advantages of using Infor CloudSuite is to be able to track our inventory. We do a range of assemblies, and using this software we're able to track where all of our components are at any given time.
What we do is complicated, strangely enough. It's very complicated. The bill of materials to assemble what goes into the back of that bus is hundreds, if not thousands, of lines long. We know that we have a fantastic product. How we can price that product is market driven. If we can make a profit out of it is ERP system driven by the sum of the parts of all of the components of the bill of materials.
Harmoniously, our sales team, our finance team, and then the supply chain team in the middle of all of that, we're all working on the same platform. We're working with the same data.
I was very concerned about having lots of different systems trying to talk to each other and not ever really working seamlessly. So we looked for one system that could do all of that, and we found it.
The problem that we're trying to solve is a global problem. The emissions and the pollution around many of the world's largest cities is getting worse and worse. Getting Vantage Power's technology out there and to help those cities is really what I'm looking forward to.